so I actually had to read the manual and figure out how to connect the app and all that stuff, but I've done that now and I've figured out how to calibrate and all of that stuff. So I'm going to do the process from the beginning here. So just turn it on, hold it for 2 seconds, and then you turn the remote on. It beeps. Once you do that, you can go to your phone and connect to the drone as the Wi-Fi device. So I'm going to wait for it to load up here. So here we go. It's already connecting because I already connected once to that drone. It says Wi-Fi 5G 4K GPS drone. So it has 5G 4K camera, but it's not really real 4K. It does have GPS. I'm going to open up the app. Okay, so once you open up the app, it says GPS signal search. In the meantime, we can go ahead and get the gyro calibration done. So I'm going to press the button on the remote for the compass calibration. And then I'm going to go ahead and rotate the drone counterclockwise 3 times. All right, it went ahead and beeped. That means that's complete. Then this is clockwise, vertically, camera facing up. And I don't think it beeps for this. I think it just, yeah, actually does beep. All right, so that's that. So technically our camera is ready to go. It says GPS signal is normal, ready to take off. So I'm just gonna use the auto takeoff feature. I'm gonna turn it on. I actually did damage it a little bit. I'm not sure why it's not turning off, because it's having a hard time. I tried to fly it indoors and I kind of damaged it a little bit, so I'm going to try to fix these things. All right, there we go. All right. So it kind of tends to fall on its own. Well, not really. It's holding steady. It's hovering there. And if you go to the left, to the right, up and down, this is rotate. Okay, so this is the phone here. I can see myself. I'm gonna go up a little bit. The angle of the camera is manually set, so I did angle it down a little bit, just so that I can see myself. So here I'm pretty close to the camera. The drone is hovering pretty well. It's doing pretty well. This is actually one of my first times flying a drone. I had another drone a few years ago, but I don't remember from then, and I didn't have it for more than a few days because I actually damaged it. As you can see, it's just kind of, it doesn't hold in place. It does actually drift to my right now. I'm not sure why that is. Maybe I didn't calibrate it quite right. I'm gonna go ahead and fly up. I have 41%, so not too much battery left. So it kind of just drops. I'm not sure why it does that. So I went up. I'm not sure if it's something to do with the GPS, but I put it up, and then sometimes it kind of just drops. I think there is a headless mode. Let's see. I'm gonna press return home and see what happens. So it actually came back to fairly normal to where it started, and it's gonna go ahead and land itself. There you go. All right. Now I'm gonna turn it back on, and we'll try all that stuff again. And I'm gonna try to do it all from my phone. for some reason, now it shows, let me go back to the right device, go flying. So for some reason it says 59%, but when it was flying, it said it had only like 37% left by the time I landed. So the remote is beeping. I'm not sure why. I'm going to turn it off and turn it back on. Okay. It says GPS normal signal is normal. I'm not really entirely sure why it's beeping. I'll have to look up what that means. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can turn on the drone from the phone itself. It doesn't seem like I can do it. There are a few different quick settings like selfie mode, waypoint, follow mode, orbit. I do want to try some of those things. I'm trying to see, I can't really turn on the drone from the phone itself. So it seems like you do need the remote to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay. I'm going to use the auto takeoff feature. There is a little bit of a wind. I'm not sure if the wind is affecting it. It's not really strong wind. I'm going to go ahead and try to do these separate different modes. Let's try an orbit. Go ahead and orbit. Let's see what it does. So it's sort of going away from me. And I wonder if I can rotate the camera towards me. There we go. So you can see myself on the phone. So I don't know if it's going to rotate around this point. It kind of just hovers there. I'm not really sure what rotate mode. I think it's supposed to kind of orbit around me, but it's not. For some reason the thing just dropped. I'm gonna see return home. At least the return home is reliable. I'm gonna have to work with this drone a little bit more to figure out what's going on. And I don't really understand why this thing keeps beeping. I'm gonna see if shooting that record button does anything. Okay, so I actually went ahead and stopped using my phone, just kind of using my remote control to control it. The recording is still on. I'm going to press the record button one more time and that should stop the recording. I still don't understand why the remote is beeping. It could be that the remote batteries are low, but I just put in new batteries, so that's probably not the reason. Okay, I'm going to turn off the remote, turn off the drone, and restart the whole process and see what happens. Alright, so I'm going to restart the drone, restart the remote, calibrate the compass. It's done. It's probably easiest to calibrate it with like everything in rather than out. It did beep, so technically I'm done. There we go. And let's go ahead and connect the phone app again. Okay, still connected 28%. I'm gonna create waypoints. Well, I don't really feel comfortable connecting waypoints, so it's kind of teaching us how to do it. So that's where we are. Let's add a waypoint. All right. And then add another one. Well, that's one. That's two. That's three. Okay. All right, let's take off and try the waypoint feature. Auto takeoff. And I'm going to make it go higher. And then not really entirely sure how to use the waypoint. I'm going to put a dot there and see if it starts going that direction. So I'm going to try the follow feature. Okay, so I'm going to use the follow feature. Let's see if it follows us. Yep, it just landed and turned off. Maybe because of low battery. Technically, my phone says it has like 20% battery. So I don't know if the battery is not really functional or what's going on. So I'm not really happy with this drone so far. I think there's a lot of software problems versus maybe the battery is not good. For example, now my phone says that it has 44%, 45% and going up. So I don't know if the battery calibration system is not correct, but I might have to try a new battery. I spent $120 on this drone. It's not crazy expensive. I just bought this drone to learn how to fly a drone before I buy a DJI Mavic Mini, because I'm not a professional shooter or anything. I just want to, this is just a hobby. All right, thanks for watching. I'll shoot some more videos. Ask me any questions in the comments, and let me know how I can improve these videos. Thank you for watching.